Hello, my name is Ron Hurst. I'm the Senior Vice President for Education and Historic Resources and the Chief Mission Officer for the Colonial Williamsburg Foundation. As we approach two significant milestones in our nation's and Colonial Williamsburg's history, the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence and the 100th anniversary of the Colonial Williamsburg Foundation, I'm writing to you with deep gratitude and a renewed call for your support. Your contributions to the Colonial Williamsburg Fund are essential in helping to preserve our beloved historic area, and I invite you to continue this journey with us today. The Power of Place campaign is a testament to our enduring commitment to the preservation and interpretation of Williamsburg's rich history. Your gift to support the campaign fuels our mission that the future may learn from the past, and it allows us to care for, restore, and present the buildings that make up this living history museum. It is through your generosity that we can undertake ambitious projects like the restoration of the magazine, the excavation and interpretation of Custis Square, and the reconstruction of the Randolph Stable, each project serving to preserve a pillar of our shared history. Gifts to the fund are the driving force behind these preservation efforts and more. Every gift enables us to uphold the authenticity and educational value of our historic structures, design new reconstructions, maintain historic interiors, curate architectural collections, and conduct ongoing research. For example, the restoration of the magazine, an original structure that served as a military warehouse to store gunpowder, arms, and more, whose design and interiors have not been reconsidered since 1934. Scheduled for completion in 2025, this restoration will coincide with the 250th anniversary of the 1775 gunpowder incident, providing a powerful historical touchstone for our visitors. Similarly, the Custis Square Archeology project exemplifies the depth of historical insight we provide to visitors. Through meticulous archaeological work, we are uncovering evidence of the lives of enslaved and free people who shaped the landscape of Williamsburg. Your support has enabled us to discover the footprints of the gardens and outbuildings, bringing to life the stories of those who lived and worked on this estate. This work is not just about garden restoration, it is about forging connections between the past and present, enhancing our understanding of the complexities of our history. The Randolph Stable project is another example of the impact of contributions from donors like you. By reconstructing the stable, we aim to complete the grounds of the Peyton Randolph House and integrate the Rare Breeds program into our interpretive framework. This initiative offers a unique opportunity to engage visitors with the daily realities of 18th century life, showcasing the diverse experiences of the people who were integral to the functioning of Williamsburg. With your help, we can secure the necessary resources to care for the animals and enhance our interpretive programs, creating an immersive educational experience. Your support is critical as we strive to complete these projects, setting the stage for a grand celebration of the Colonial Williamsburg Foundation's centennial and the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence in 2026. These milestones are reminders of our enduring legacy. Both on-site and through our online educational initiatives, we are preserving and interpreting the past. I ask you today to donate. Your investment ensures that we can continue to protect and share the important story of Colonial Williamsburg, providing innovative and transformative experiences for visitors from around the world. Together, we can honor the past while inspiring the future and ensure that the lessons and stories of our nation's early days remain accessible. Thank you for your continued dedication and generosity. Your support truly makes a difference.